Hey friends, welcome back to the vlog. In this vlog, well, my day kind of didn't go exactly how I expected it to, but you know what? It was an alright day, so let's start the day. I start the day by putting on my Apple Watch, as you can clearly see, when I go down to get some coffee as well. Who doesn't like coffee? Wait, what? You don't like coffee? What? You crazy? Anyways, I normally like to do, like iced cold coffee, as I'm more of a fan of the cold type of coffee, but you know what? Today I decided to do some nice hot coffee, and well, just doesn't beat the iced coffee, but in this clip you can see me making my coffee, so yeah. I'm just gonna let you watch me making the coffee now. I don't know what to say. This is very entertaining. Alright, once I make the coffee, I start to bring the coffee upstairs. And as you can see, I'm gonna spill it multiple times, which is, why wouldn't I? Now, once I get to my bedroom, as I turn the aircon on to heat up once I woke up even, I want to turn it off as my room is getting way too hot. So I use my aircon, which isn't supposed to be HomeKit enabled, but I use, Homebridge, 100% legal. Hello people of the internet. I have to be a bit quiet as humans are still asleep. Imagine still sleeping at 5:30. Regular people. Anyways, so yeah, today is Tuesday the 8th of February, and today we've got a kind of busy day ahead. Enough busy, but I think we should start by tidying the desk as it's a bit of a mess right now. So I'll see you all in a minute. Well, a minute, like a second for you, but like 5-10 minutes for me. Alright, while I'm tidying up, as you can see, my room just gets messed like whenever I film these videos. I don't know what it is, but filming these videos or anything just makes my room such a massive mess. And over time, I just leave it and it piles up everywhere, so we should be tidying up more often. Alright, so now I'm just going to do some stuff on my Mac quickly. I'm going to get to work by starting editing the Apple Watch Series 5 2 years later video, which came out on my channel, well, hopefully now, a few weeks ago. Start editing at 6:15, it's 5:43, so right now, I'm just going to do some stuff quickly on my Mac. And also, imagine using a keyboard and mouse when you can just use, well, you can't see that properly, but you can now. Yeah, you can just use universal controller for iPad. What's a keyboard and mouse? I just use my iPad. And then, yeah, it's kind of fancy. We'll be making a video about this soon, hopefully, by the way. So, yeah, it's pretty cool, actually. Pretty neat feature. Pretty handy. Alright, so over here you can see me just messing around, writing my journal day one and all the other fun stuff. And, you know what? I've not been doing day one for too long, but I'm quite enjoying it. What do you guys think on day one? And then also after that, you can see me writing my blog post on the Holy Rust, as Rust is the holy language. Okay, so I've just written the Instagram post for the day, which is a bit of a one on Rust, because Rust is the Lord's programming language, if you can see. Because, almost dropped my Kindle. I was reading about it last night. It's Rust. It's the Lord's programming language. Why wouldn't you want to program in Rust? The greatest language. We pray to the holy Rust every day. But in honesty, I've got to edit my Apple Watch Series 5 video. And then from there, I got some chemistry work to do. So let's have fun. After that, I just sat down to edit my Apple Watch Series 5 video, which came out on my channel a few weeks ago, and I'm going to be honest with you, it didn't do as well as I hope it would, but I'm going to be honest with you, it also wasn't my best video I've ever made. It wasn't really an amazing video, in my opinion, but, you got to do what you got to do. Okay, so, most of the editing's done. I just need to color grade, like, 10 clips, but I'll do some chemistry work now. So, let's have some fun. We'll just probably roll up the curtains considering it's actually daytime, apparently. I know, right? Weird. People are awake at daytime. Pff, weirdos. By the way, of course, I'm now moving to Linux, the Lord's OS, to do this. Not my MacBook, as everyone knows Linux is the cool kids OS when it actually turns on. Mark, cancel everything. I broke my Arch Linux installed. Joking, it's not Arch Linux. I just felt like doing that. Why isn't it turning on? Oh no. Ah, the screen did something. Something's going on. Something's going on. Work? Hello? Oh, I think it restarted. Of course it did. It's Linux. I mean, why would it? Why wouldn't it? Sorry. Why would it? Obviously, it's going to restart. It should work now, I hope. At least. Let's have some fun. Oh, alright. I pressed a button to see what's going on. That's not that. It's broken, hopefully. I hope. Not Hacker Man. Beautiful, beautiful. Why is the screen brightness so low? Hacker Man. By the way, of course, I'm now moving to Linux, the Lord's OS, to do this. Not my MacBook, as everyone knows Linux is the cool kids OS when it actually turns on. Ma cancelled everything. I broke my Arch Linux installed. Joking, it's not Arch Linux. I just felt like doing that. Why isn't it turning on? Oh no. Ah, the screen did something. Something's going on. Something's going on. Work? Hello? Oh, I think it restarted. Of course it did. It's Linux. I mean, why would it? Why wouldn't it? Sorry. Why would it? Obviously, it's going to restart. It should work now, I hope, at least. Let's have some fun. Oh, right. I pressed a button to see what's going on. That's not that. It's broken, hopefully. I hope. Not Hacker Man. Beautiful, beautiful. Why is the screen brightness so low? Hacker Man. Alright, let's see if my Hacker Man worked. Beautiful. It worked. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, it does this whenever I turn on. I have to go into Xrandr, change the main display to this display, then change it back to this display. Then it works. That's really bizarre. Beautiful. The fans are on like full blast, but I've got my beautiful Attack on Titan background. So Alex Jones go bye-bye right now. And then we've got a beautiful terminal open. We've got a beautiful code cases in the UK today. That ain't good. That ain't good. But yes, we're ready to do some work. Sadly, we are not Vimming this minute. We will Vim soon. The rise of the Vim. Alright, currently, right now, I'm just going over some stuff to do with balancing equations and moles in chemistry. I still barely have a clue what I'm doing. And when I get distracted halfway by looking at cron jobs on my computer, beautiful chemistry. Well, I finished that an hour earlier than expected, so fun. I guess, by the way, if you noticed, I'm not sitting on my fancy gimbal so I can bounce. It broke, and I'm really disappointed. I really need to order a new one, as how do people not sit in a gimbal? How do you sit in a regular chair? It's like, oh, look at me, I'm sitting on a... Like, no, you don't sit in a regular chair. Shaking my head. I was probably going to get some food design stuff, and I've still got an hour to my first lesson. I only have 4 lessons today, but they're really spread out, which is really annoying when they're not all in one. But yeah, fun. By the way, I haven't really said it officially, but I'm planning on buying... I know it's an old camera, but, you know, it's a nice camera still, what I've seen. So I'm planning on buying this next month. In March. Wait, it's March next month. Oh my god, it's March already next month. That was scary, but yeah, I'm planning on buying. Yes, fancy. Ooh, fancy. I now have a lesson, so I should probably stop looking at camera stuff. Like, I've definitely not been doing for like the past 20 minutes. What are you rambling on about? Right, I generally should probably join my lesson. Now I actually have a chemistry lesson, so this isn't going to be fun. Anyways, we're learning about electrolysis, and yeah, I barely know what I'm doing. Skull emoji. Yeah, I really need to actually understand what the hell electrolysis is. And my phone ran out of storage halfway through this. So yeah, fun. Anyways, if we consult the holy Google Calendar while waiting for that to charge, we're supposed to film the A-roll for your iPhone 13 Pro after 3 months, but I procrastinated yesterday. Instead of doing my research for my photography work, I recorded that. So instead of doing that, I'm going to wait till 9:30, so it's 14 minutes. And I am going to do my photography research until then. I'm going to basically write down the shot list for the B-roll. And yeah, so let's have some fun. Hey Siri, set your newsroom to heat. Is it working? Still working.
Interesting question.
Voila! It's not supposed to actually be able to do that. I'm using Homebridge to do that. It's pretty cool though still. But it's probably not on the right thing. I can't figure out how to do. Let's go over here. No, I just turn off my lights. No, it is on the right bit, but I can't figure out how to do this bit of Siri. It doesn't always work. Let's turn back on the lights. Voila! Fancy! So now it's freezing in here, we can warm up a bit. And yeah, so what I'm probably going to do is grab this bad boy. Or this one. Basically, like I can explain, I have 2 Kindles in here. This is mine. This isn't mine. My mum bought a new Kindle, but I'm borrowing it now. But I've been using it for like a month. I'm using both of these. So I'm planning on doing a review on this one. I also want to compare both of them. So yeah, I do have a review on this Kindle. If you didn't know, you can check it out. The card should be up there now. Click it out. Record on iPhone 13 Pro in cinematic mode. So yeah, I love this one. And this one, I like it, but don't know if I like it as much. So yeah. Alright, right now I'm just reading the book on Rust. And well, here's the thing. I really like the idea of Rust. I'm still in the middle of learning Rust, but I'm leaning towards Go right now, as the thing of Go is Go's just a lot better for a lot of things. Well, I was reading for a bit, then I was like, whoa, Rust so cool, let's program Rust. So yeah, I did a bit of programming there, and now I'm 10 minutes late to do my research. Bum bum bum. But yeah, I should probably do this research, and I really don't want to because it's really boring. And now we can go down. We've got the iPad, the charger, the tripod, and yes, I'm being so fancy, guys. I'm doing it downstairs, a different angle. Wow, other than my desk. I know, crazy, right? And we are ready to commence the research. Got our beautiful podcast, our 3 times speed, Overcast, the best podcast app, as everyone knows. We've got the Connected podcast that's catching up. So yes, we shall begin the research. Alright, as I'm listening to the podcast and keep switching podcasts every 5 minutes, I'm just doing some photography research on Peterson. I forgot the guy's last name, but I mean, it was quite interesting, although then I had to change much of my research up because I didn't realise I didn't include everything correct. And then yet again, I needed to research another photographer, which I didn't realise then, so what fun. The face of a criminal. I've just done what I call a pro-demon move. I was like, yeah, I'm going to brush my teeth after I have the coffee and everything. So, who brushes their teeth before coffee? The coffee would taste... I feel sick thinking about that. But it's 10, almost 11, and I forgot to brush them. So let's have fun brushing teeth. Okay, I feel a lot fresher now. So I finished the photography research 20 minutes earlier than expected. I was planning on doing my Instagram photo later. I really should start doing them on a Sunday, shouldn't I? But lazy, I guess. But yeah, so I guess I'm going to do that now quickly, my Instagram photo. So let's have fun. Alright, this shot actually turned out really well. I wasn't expecting the shot to turn out well, but you know what? In the end, I really did like how this shot turned out. I'm quite proud of it. Alright, and after that, as you can see, I've just been messing around in lots of different angles for my videos. And actually, if you look at some of my later videos, you can see I've actually chosen a similar angle to that, as I really do like the way it looks compared to how my old A-roll angle used to look and my other old A-roll angle. Okay, I have got English in, 4 minutes, and I need to tidy up a bit. So, let's have fun! Tidying up. Woo! Must be less awkward if it worked. I swear it normally works. Alright, now I'm doing an English lesson, and I've not really got much to say. I'm just, looking at them poems for days, writing stuff down. There's not really much to say. I'll just let you guys watch. Yeah. English is over. It is now lunch. I am starving. I've basically only eaten that cheese toasty I showed you this morning, so that's definitely not one of the only good things I know how to cook. What are you on about? Okay, I just finished another lesson, but nothing really important. It wasn't even no iPad or anything needed, so no point of filming. Although my second brain came into use. Yeah, I've changed my whole system ever since I made the video, but you can check the video on how my product system works. I'm currently in the middle of redoing everything, so yeah, the only thing that's kind of stable from that whole thing is Things Free. And so if you want to learn more about Things Free, I do have a whole video dedicated to that, which I think is terrible, but as someone who says 2,000 views, I think it was the thumbnail. It's a really nice picture. But yeah, you can watch that over there. I think it's a pretty good video too. Alright, now it is time to edit my Instagram post, while also obviously watching Return of the King. What an amazing film. Who doesn't like Return of the King, honestly? But Lord of the Rings trilogy is so good. It's beautiful. It's amazing, Lord of the Rings. Instagram post down while watching the Holy Lord of the Rings. Who doesn't like Lord of the Rings? But this is Return of the King, arguably one of the best films of all time. So I've literally just been watching Lord of the Rings for 20 minutes. And I have a photography lesson. After my photography lesson, I've got I've got to write down shots for the iPhone 13 Pro video, finish editing my Apple Series 5 video, and also do some a chemistry test. Should probably do a chemistry test first. Earlier I did some other chemistry work, so yeah, fun. Alright, now even I didn't mean to, I ended up started coding for a bit, and I'm currently over here working on my website, which is almost actually done now, and funnily enough, I started working on something here, which I only just figured out last night, and that was the 21st of February, so yeah. That took a while to figure out how to do, but I finally figured it out. Woo! 100% of my master plan is 5:33, and I meant to stop coding at 4:30. 100% of my master plan, I swear. No clue where my coasters are, but I really need coasters again. Also, yes, Miyagi-Do karate. You guys didn't know. You should obviously watch Cobra Kai. I mean, why wouldn't you have watched Cobra Kai? Time to do the chemistry work. I've already been putting it off. I already need to get this done. I'm not going to time lapse this. I didn't see any point, but yeah, let's have fun. Also, I never said this should all just been time lapses, but I mean, what else do you want me to do? My day is boring. Alright, so it's been quite a bit actually since I've given you guys an update, and the reason for that is, well, the chemistry work took forever. And then I went out for a bit and couldn't video. Just don't question it. Just let it be, okay? Anyways, that's basically kind of almost the end of the day. 8:45, gotta go to bed soon. I'm supposed to be in bed now, to be honest, but I had to go out and stuff. So eating dinner now and probably going to bed soon. So I'll speak to you guys soon. And over here, I've got my beautiful dinner, which is baked potato, obviously inspired by Samwise Gamgee from before when I was watching Return of the King. I'm getting into bed like at 9:53, which is like basically an hour later than I would like to, but what are you gonna do? Anyways, yeah, that's gonna be. I didn't get to do everything I wanted to do today, but I got quite a bit done. So yeah, that's gonna be it. And if you enjoyed this video, I guess you can subscribe for more of this, whatever this content is. I don't even know what it is. Or you can, you know, maybe like watch other videos of mine. I'm trying to think when I'm too tired to think. Here's why I didn't wake up at 5 a.m, I guess. But yeah, that's it, I guess. I'll see you all soon. Bye, take care.